Welcome to Bike Buzzin', your ultimate source for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into the exciting 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy. Known for its bold, muscular design and powerful performance, the Fatboy continues to turn heads on the road. Let's take a closer look at what makes this iconic cruiser even more thrilling in 2025. Design and style. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy retains its signature chopper-inspired look, with its wide, imposing presence and classic Harley style. One of the standout features is its enhanced bodywork with more aggressive modern details that enhance its already muscular stance. From its beefy front fork to the iconic solid disc wheels, the Fatboy combines both retro and futuristic design elements. The bold chrome finishes and distinctive round headlamp provide that classic Harley edge, while the updated paint options give the bike a fresh, premium look. Performance and power. The 2025 model packs a punch with its all-new engine refinements. Powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine, it delivers even more torque and horsepower, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride at all speeds. The Fatboy is designed for those who want performance without sacrificing comfort, and with its low-slung seat and advanced suspension, it offers excellent stability and responsiveness. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highway, this bike provides an exhilarating ride. Technology and features. For 2025, Harley Davidson has included some smart upgrades to keep the Fatboy on top of the game. The bike comes with an advanced infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity with your smartphone. Riders can easily access navigation, music, and calls directly from the bike's dashboard. Additionally, the bike features a more refined braking system and advanced safety technologies like traction control, which ensures better handling under various road conditions. These updates provide a modern touch to the traditional Harley experience. Comfort and handling. The Fatboy is not just about power, it's built for comfort too. Harley Davidson has revamped the ergonomic setup, making it easier to handle, even for longer rides. The updated suspension offers a smooth and controlled experience on rougher terrains, while the wide, comfortable seat ensures you can ride for hours without discomfort. The low center of gravity and wide stance add to the stability, giving riders a confident grip on the road. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy is the perfect blend of power, style, and technology. With its iconic design, refined engine, and cutting-edge features, it stands as a true testament to Harley's legacy, while offering a fresh, modern experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the Fatboy is sure to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin'. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest motorcycles.